जे प्रवाचे जे मुखेलमंत्रीन सांगला लास्ट असेंब्लीन आम्ही जानेवारी म्हयन्यान तुका एक घातलेलें की इट वॉज नॉट नोटिफाईड जानेवारी नोटिफाय जाऊ ना एक मिनिट स्पीकर सर नाव लोकांक गोंयचे लोकांक कळ्ळें की प्रवा नोटिफाय जालो आतां 9A LAQ मुगेलो आसलो सेम विशयाचेर आनी तितून स्पीकर सर इट इज सेड that it was notified on 22nd March 2023. You agree it is 22nd March? Correct? Now surprisingly another reply 1C. That says that Prava is notified on 22nd May. One says 22nd March, one says 22nd May. What does this show, Speaker sir? Or Sarkar serious na? Ana Speaker sir, if you look, je 14 member aspak jay Pravant. Till now no names are given. They are still no one knows who are these members. Speaker sir, this एक नोट दिला और नोट हांव तुका दाखयता स्पीकर सर ह्या नोटाचे चोय दिस इज गिवन टू द रिप्लाय जे जो दिलीप नायक एक्झिक्युटिव्ह इंजिनियर हेच हाटल्या
कितें विचारपाक जाय तुमकां कितें विचारपाक जाय
मिनिस्टर हेजेर काय एक हे ना एनेक्स दिस इज एनेक्स 4 इज दैट you see you have given a reply saying that in that reply this notice looks like it is stuck from 12th June in your office. So Dilip Naik Mona signed, only his signature, and looks like it is handwritten or not. It is not moved forward. Speaker sir, जे local newspaper येता तेन्ना हो सरकार act जाता. Press भावांक देव बर कर म्हणटा कित्याक 9A reply चोयल्याक. It is only when the newspapers and the people, NGOs alert us that action begins from the government. So my question to you, Speaker sir, to the Honorable Minister, is that you all have spent 1,66 lakhs on a battery of lawyers, ultra lawyer delay. Now why there is a delay in appointment of the members of Prava? Why this note is stuck from 12th June? And why the government is adopting a slow method? Is it
question to Maga diunga House committee should oversee everything.
Yes sir, desai.
Question
तुम्ही
पण question उत्तर दिवंक जाय. House
Speaker sir, House committee चे एक सिटिंग जाल्ले आसा मध्यंतरी 10th of July
election झाले कर्नाटकाचे
हे जालेच पण त्या बरोबर नंतर मागीर 10th of July सुप्रीम कोर्टाक केस येवपा आशिल्ली हांवें चिंतलें की जावं न्ही मॅटर आयले जर जाय बरें जातलें अशें म्हणून सुद्दां आय कॅन ब्रीफ ऑल द मेंबर्स हाऊस कमिटी मेंबर्स आता हे सेशन जायना फुडें आय विल ऑर्गनायज हाऊस कमिटी मीटिंग सो दॅट
not only that you take control over the day-to-day proceedings because we are the members of the house.
I know.
We are the representatives of the people. It is our concern that Mhadei should not be diverted, but it is diverted. Advocat वचत रावतले बिलात
answer Speaker sir जो
this was diverted somewhere in the year 2018.
Why there is a delay?
After taking over myself, say I have been monitoring every single what I should say upcoming in the Supreme Court also.
We will also help you to monitor, but make that House committee active.
Yes sir, desai.
Immediately after the
Visit
session.
करूंक ना अजून.
Yes sir, immediately after the session.
Visit करूंक पावू ना.
सर करपाक दियात न्ही.
Yes sir, immediately after this session we will organize the House committee meeting, second meeting. For your answer to your question, Prava committee members are to be nominated by Center. We are going to identify the place for office of a Prava within these next 15 days. Once the place is identified, you see, in the meanwhile, the members are to be identified by Center. And every state, and every state has to give their one representative. All the states have to give their representative. I think this process may take about 1.5 months or 2 months maximum.
Sir, so Prava member, this is a serious matter. Last time, the following मुखेलमंत्रीन सांगलें की Prava notify जालें. ती notify जावंक ना आनी हे प्रश्न जावपाचेर दोन दीस 23 मार्च और 23 मे दोन रिप्लाय दिले आनी खुंयच Prava केन्ना notify जाल्या आनी केन्ना जातली हे पाना पुसप जाता स्पीकर सर.
Speaker sir, I got a gazette. Speaker sir, I got a gazette. I can place it before the House. I got a gazette 22nd May 2023.
22nd May.
Yes.
Then this reply that you have given is wrong. You see, it says, look at the reply on 1C. 1 minute, Speaker sir. 1C aje, sir, the central government wide notification dated so and so has 22nd May has notified Mhadei Prava, known as Prava. एक साइड मार्च म्हणटा anyways because of this shows this rather than putting the blame game this is a serious issue.
22nd May दवरलो मरे.
I had said
22nd May तो पळय दवरलो तेका झेरॉक्स मारून ऑपोजिशन लिडराक दिवपाचें.
मंत्री मार्च मुटा
हा
मंत्री
तो कॅबिनेट डिसिजन जाल्लें.
अरे नोटिफाय एक दिसा जाता
नोटिफाय कॅबिनेट डिसिजन जाल्लें ती डेट पयलीं सांगता तो नोटिफाय जाल्या पळय न्हू ते तेका नोटिफिकेशन दी.
डेट येव 15 दीस आय रिक्वेस्ट सी मिनिस्टर
Notification दिली
मेंबर आहा लेट हिम स्टे जी हाऊस कमिटीच्यो मिटींग जावपाक जायो एंड हे प्रवाचे जावपा रादर देन वी गेटिंग अलर्ट आनी तेजे कित्याक बिकॉज थिंगा कित्याक न्यूजपेपर जो NGO आहा ह्यो प्रेसान सांगल्यारू कित्याक अलर्ट जाताय यो
तसं-
मेकॅनिझम
प्रवाहाचे मिटींग जे आसात तो जो कोणी चेअरमॅन नेमियार जातलो त्या चेअरमॅनान घेवपाक जाय हांवें न्ही
श्री कार्लोस
CM
पेरेरा.
नी न्ही.